Yeah.
Hello, I'm Dean, and I would like to compare some of my engines. The last race this is our second race. The last race that we did, we raced Thomas, James, and Diesel. Today we are going to race Gordon, Edward, and Percy. Edward will go first.
Which one is what, Steve?
This is the old and this is the new.
So an old Trackmaster and a new Trackmaster. Can you tell us the differences between the old Trackmasters and the new Trackmasters again?
These ones skid up the hill.
What are the differences between their wheels?
This one actually has big lumps in it.
Big lumps on their wheels?
Yeah, this one has just little tiny bumps and like maybe 100 of those.
That's great.
Or 50.
Maybe when your engines are done, would you show us the wheels?
Why are you going? I thought you would go. Oh, you need help. Go. Oh. Better.
Can you show me those wheels up close? Oh, now which wheel is that? That looks really bumpy.
The new, and this is the old.
Okay. And the bumps on the bottom of the old ones are much smaller too.
Yeah.
Yeah, can Macy have her Edward while you finish this video? Alright, let's see your other ones.
Next will be Gordon.
Alright, let's see Gordon. Tell us who's on the track, the new or the old?
The old is going right now. Next, the new will be going.
And that old one has a tinder that holds its battery, huh?
Yeah.
Does the new one's tinder have a battery?
No.
It's...
That's why it's smaller.
Oh.
It looks like this one is faster than the other up the hill. You have to wait. Oh. I see what happened.
It looks like sometimes the Trackmasters get caught on the little bumps and ridges in the tracks, even if they're supposed to go over them, huh? Sometimes
Gordon, you
they
may
get
go.
caught at the switches in the tracks too.
Is there any trouble? No.
Is there anything else on the track scene that the new and old Trackmasters get stuck on?
This bump.
That bump right there?
The new Trackmasters do.
The new Trackmasters actually get stuck on bumps like that?
Uh-huh.
Wow, but the old Trackmasters don't?
Yes, they actually get stuck on it when it's like that.
Even when it's the littlest bump?
Yeah.
Not when it's big?
Yeah.
And do the old Trackmasters get stuck at the little switches in the tracks?
Nope.
Alright, who's next?
I have to put Gordon away first. And the next one will be Percy.
Alright, let's see Percy race. Now these are two old Trackmasters?
Yeah, they both are new, but this one is newer than that old one.
Boy, with that new battery, those ones are going fast. Look at him go.
Oh. Didn't know that you would go that slow. Oh, you're fast.
Yeah, he's doing really good.
Here comes the newer one.
But that's still an old Trackmaster style, but it's newer.
Yep. Daddy's
he's
newer
talking
than
too.
that. He is. Those were all of our engines.